In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make salsa verde. Alright, so first you're going to want to start boiling up some water, and you're going to want to add about 10 green tomatoes. Then you're going to want to add 3 jalapenos and 1/4 of a large white onion. Now you're going to want to let them cook for about 15 minutes. Now after about 15 to 20 minutes, your tomatillos or green tomatoes should be done, because you're going to be noticing that they're turning into a darker green. So you're just going to want to, without the water, you're just going to want to place them in your blender. And you're going to want to make sure that you take off the stems from the jalapenos. Now you're going to want to add 1 bunch of cilantro and a tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 1 piece of garlic. Now you're going to want to blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Now you're just going to want to pour it in a container. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and taste it and add salt if needed.